all I'm doing today is just to eat and eat and eat and eat.
Hello?
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer.
Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Blessing Aji, and in today's video, by the title you guys can already tell, I'll be showing you guys what I eat in a day, and today is gonna be so realistic. And I hope you guys do enjoy this video because I am so excited for this, because I've been wanting to film one of these videos for the longest time. And I think today is a perfect day. Today is actually Monday, and on Mondays I don't go out on Mondays because it's sit at home here in the eastern part of Nigeria, so we don't go out. So today I am at home, I'm not going out, so all I'm doing today is just to eat and eat and eat and eat homemade food. I am so excited for this. So this morning I plan on having pancakes and blended apples or something. Yo guys, I love pancakes. Okay, let's go.
Said you got a new girl, picked her up at the club last week. She's a diamond on the dance floor, but I bet she doesn't move like me. You're flying first class, sipping on that fresh champagne. Now you wish you were the bad bitch too bad, 'cause babe, there's no replacing me. I'm the best you ever had. I'm the best you ever had. We both know it ain't true, saying that she holds you down. She don't really get you, 'cause we know when she's not around. You're staying up and thinking about me, liking all my pictures while she sleeps, lying when she asks you if you're free. You're busy, but you're busy calling me. I had you flying first class, sipping on that fresh champagne. Now you wish you had a bad bitch too bad, 'cause babe, there's no replacing me. I'm the best you ever had.
So guys, I'm done now and I'm about to eat. But first of all, I want to play my movie. There's this movie I've been watching and it's called So I Married an Anti-Fan. Oh my god, this movie has got me going crazy.
If all days brown eyes, roots in my apartment, and we grew past by.
Oh my god, this was perfect. I'm not even going to lie. I'm just going to go ahead, shower, then I'll see you guys when it is time for lunch. And yeah, I'll see you guys later.
Hello?
You in the backyard of your old farm in the summer. Stayed there for 3 weeks where we learned to love each other. Wrote you a letter, sent a message to the that day. Skip to the present, haven't been so happy ever. Sitting in your room room working on my first record. Skip to the present and I still haven't released it. But it's okay cause the new songs are way better. That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
I feel like today I'm overdoing it because I said today is just for eating, okay? Eating homemade food, and that is what I am doing, and I feel like I'm overdoing it. But then who cares, because this one is super healthy. This is actually called akidi and sweet corn, but I don't know the English name for it. I don't even know if that's the name, honestly, like in English, but it's akidi. It's an Igbo thing, I feel. I'm not so sure if it's an Igbo thing, but I've not seen it anywhere else. I don't think if I ever saw it in Yola. I don't think so. So I feel like it's an Igbo thing, or maybe not. Maybe other people know it as different things. I'm not so sure, but this is so good, honestly. Like, it's perfect. Like, oh my god, I am so obsessed. But I'm just going to go ahead now and just get my clothes and fold them up, because it's looking like it wants to rain this afternoon. I don't understand why rain keeps falling. It's really annoying me at this point. It's really annoying me. It's bad enough that my room lighting is bad, okay? It is terrible. I have to like, I'm actually using flash to talk to you guys right now. I cannot imagine when rain now adds its own. Everywhere is looking like cloudy, and I don't like this, because I need this light. I'm going to see you guys later because I'm feeling so good. Like, you know, when you eat what your body wants, okay, there's this joy that comes with it. If you get what I mean, then you get what I mean. Because I've been feeling good, you know, guys. Like, a girl is a foodie. Like, I love my good food, okay? That's why I'm a foodie. Hey, this forever. Look at you say, yeah. Guys, I'll see you guys later. I feel like I'm blabbing at this point. Bye.
Another day in the life of...
It's time for dinner, and I'm having jollof rice. I already showed you guys this before, so I already had this in the fridge. This was what we had yesterday. Sunday. Yesterday was Sunday, like I said. Whatever I had on Sunday, that's what I will most likely have on Monday, as long as I still have it remaining, okay? And like, I just don't have the strength to think of anything to prepare. Yo guys, I really went in. Okay, this food was just perfect, what my body needed. Okay, the movie, the food, like I didn't even realize I was done. Okay, till I hit the bottom. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Honestly, it was quite fun. Few minutes, even though it was stressful here and there, because you guys, when you see food bloggers, respect them, especially the ones that, you know, do everything themselves, film, cook, prepare the stuff, you respect them. Okay, it's no joke. I was almost running crazy. Okay, but then, you know, we did it. The food is in my belly, it's breathing there. Okay, so we're good. Okay, we're really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know what you think about it in the comment section, and make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. And yeah guys, I will see you all in my next one. Bye.
Looking on my back,